Sambunani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, I am just going to say this and allow the ones who want to come for me to come for me. I honestly feel the wives are being unnecessary with the self-catering thing. Nope. There, I said it, guys. I feel like they've been unnecessary, and I feel like this thing is not that deep, you guys. I understand and I get the point. Yoguti, vele these wives at home by a pega, they cook. So going out on a holiday to cook again at ease, it can seem as a lot of work, but guys, there's many ways to work around this, and I feel like they are just being difficult unnecessarily, considering the fact that Umtombeni is doing something nice, guys, by taking the family out on a trip. Like, guys, in South Africa, in this economy that we are living in, let's just be honest. How many times can you say your family can afford to go out on a holiday just to enjoy one another? Very few people can say that. So it's an opportunity for people to just, they hardly get to see one another because people are living their own lives. It's an opportunity, even if, like, okay, fine, if the wives don't get along, do it for the kids, because when the kids grow up, this is going to mean a lot for them. I don't know about you guys, but abanye bethu, we grew up with a lot of cousins, and one of our best memories as kids was when what December, guys, Siema Farmer with the cousins, Sibaningi, and have this type of setup. That was the best, or at least for me, some of my best type of memories. I kind of feel like if these wives who really wanted this thing to work, guys, they could have grouped people. The children are not that young for them not to do anything. Kunabo, what's this child's name? Mbali's child, Tando's child, and Unokuzanuma child. Group them into groups and make this thing fun for them. Group them and say, okay, fine, we're going to make breakfast this morning. There's ones who are going to make the eggs. There's ones who are going to make the baked beans. There's ones who are do everything together as a family, because I don't think there's just few children who won't be able to participate. And even those few children, you can make them make juice, guys. This thing was just like, I really felt like it was so unnecessary. And I feel like, for me at least, I feel like it has now turned into Yobuti. We don't want to make breakfast because why mele sitenda abantu? Why mele siseva abantu? I feel like it's more about that than people not wanting to cook. Because when we're there as a family, guys, even what December, when we go and serve our families, we're tired, yes, but we're doing it because we love them and because of the memories that we will share. Umtombeni is here, he's trying to make family memories, you guys, which the sad thing is that one day when he's not around, they will remember Ugutu Baba used to do these nice things, and it's gonna die off because all of them don't see the importance of this thing. Yeah, guys, shame, I don't wanna lie. I was irritated about that, and I felt like the wives are being a bit too childish, and that's my own opinion. Unwandleke, because Umselebu does ask what groceries should we buy. Number one, the first night, fine, guys, I understand. Bafike late, bakhathela abantu basuke emsebenzini. He got food for the family. Second morning, the breakfast thing was not working. Angmazi-ke usne. Ugutusne was there to help, but clearly people are. That's what I'm saying. It feels like, to me, it's more of a pride thing. Omunye umuntu is saying, Uguti, I'm not gonna do that because why melengenzeni umaphumano, why melengenzeni umayeni, why melengenzeni umangwabe nengane zakhe. And I feel like it's more of something like that. The morning, it did not work. The breakfast did not work. Umusa, fine, ask the place or ask that place where they were at to organize breakfast for them, which obviously is not gonna come cheap because that's a big family. Almost as now asking for ingredients so that people can cook. Abantu bathule. Unwandle ends up saying, okay, fine, I'm willing to go and buy the grocery. And other people are like, Unwandle, they should have asked him, is he willing to cook? At that point, I just felt like one wife should have said, no, Randa, it's fine, I will do it. Guys, come on. Come on. I don't know if it's just me. Maybe enlighten me on a different perspective. Holidays are not always, especially with kids, guys. You never really rest when it comes to holidays. But I'm just saying, Muti, this self-catering thing, it was not that much of a big deal the way they're making it seem. That's according to me. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next